Hello friends, it's MingHan, and actually I'm going to show you how our SCADA system is operating the switch gears. So before I should introduce you about the switch gears, at the moment we have one switch gear for medium voltage, this one, and one switch gear for low voltage, and it is over here. Alright? And this LV switchgear has many feeders, A, B, C, D, E, F, G0 and blah blah. Many feeders are connected to it. These are almost 9 in total. Anyway, now after this we are going to start the SCADA operation system, and we are going to check how SCADA monitors and controls the these two switch gears. Alright, this is user interface. You can see programmed operation, energy consumption report, video monitoring, alarm, power distribution and report itself, curve, online monitoring, energy analysis, multi-rate, and LTD and some other functions. So by programmed operation we mean that it is going to control the switchgear. From this screen, we have cleared the programmed operation and we got this screen. This screen means it is showing that all the products that are connected to it. From the top you can see this one is the medium voltage switchgear that I just have shown you. It is receiving at the moment 10.29 voltage, 10.29 kV, and different 600 current and so on. Power factor is this one, and below it is the low voltage switchgear, and it has many feeders, I, J, H, G, that we just have seen. Okay, few of them are connected, showing red over here, and few of them are connected, not connected and open, showing green over here. Anyway, we are going to control it now. So please, let's control this MV switch here. At this moment we can see that the breaker, this one, is open. Okay, we want to close it, so just right click, programmed operation, and this is the current status, that your circuit breaker is open and your earthing switch is closed, right? And here is the target status, what you want to do, if you want to connect both, or if you want to open the circuit breaker and earthing switch also open, or if you want to open the both. So these are different options for you. Let's choose this one. It will close the circuit breaker, which is open now, and it will open the earthing switch, which is closed now. So we have chosen this one, the target status, and we are going to operate it. Here is operator verification. He is going to give password, and then we are going to have a supervisor verification to confirm the operator's actions. Now we are going to have the operation selection. Now it says that I'm ready to do it. So if he is ready, then we can execute. Please click Mr. Mehdi. Now we can see that the earthing switch, it is being moved. This is the part of switch here. This is switch here, right? So earthing switch has been opened, and now these shutters, I have to do it like this. Shutters are open and switchgear VCB is going inside. This is the part of switch here. You can see it from here. Okay, so this is the VCB, sound of VCB. It is going inside and being connected with the bus bar. This is the also a slot of LV medium voltage switch here. Now you can see that it is telling us that programmed operation was executed successfully. please, Mr. Mehdi. Now we can see that come and let's how to say, let's the status has been changed to connected, that VCB our circuit breaker is connected. Now come to the low voltage. Low voltage has these two are connected, these three are not, four not connected. So let's take this L. This is the please wait, Mr. Mehdi. This is L, and it is showing that it is connected, the red signal, the red color, and it is receiving the current 250, and we can see it over physically over here as well. This was L, so we come to our L1. You can see this is L feeder, and it is closing instruction, so it is connected. We want to open it using that software. Mr. Mehdi, please. The target status is closing. We want to open it. He wants verification. Select open. Yeah, it says I'm ready. Just click. Oh, the L1, this one is L, and it is now green, right? So that's how we control. Okay, Mr. Mehdi, please close it once again. Yeah. So we are going to close it once again. This L1, and Mr. Mehdi, my colleague, thanks to him, he's going to close it. Right, Mr. Mehdi, please open it. Yeah, this is L, and I'm sorry, I didn't just focused on previous action. No, I'm just focusing on this light. Yes, now it is open once again. So all it is being open and connected, disconnected through this one, right? Now we can see it is also disconnected over here as well. So that's how we control our switchgear. All right, Mr. Mehdi, please. Now let's move to the other functions. Here we have the energy consumption report. Please click. If we click it, we can have the energy consumption report of all the feeders that are connected. AH1 feeder means the medium voltage switch here, and AOTO, EF, GH, IK, LM, these are the low voltage feeders. So these are the energy consumption by date, and we can choose any feeder and we can get the energy consumption report, that how much energy has consumed in this month or in this day. Please. Yeah. Now let's move to the reports. Here is the report. We can also video monitor, and if we do video monitoring, we can get what's going on inside the circuit breaker. We can see our circuit breaker we just have connected, right? This is circuit breaker, and it is connected with the bus bar. There is no load, because it is exhibition and we're just participating in it, so there is no load connected to it. And this is earthing switch is open. All right, so we can video monitor the circuit breaker. Now let's go to the report. For every make it small. For every single feeder that is connected to this system, we can generate report on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, annual report, or any selected date, previous one, and it will calculate the data on hourly basis, let's say 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4 p.m. AM. So that's how we can generate reports, and we can convert it into PDF and send it to our boss. And now we can see we can also have the physical curves, the information from this curve. We can have the current the current, voltage, reactive power, frequency, all curves for every feeder that is connected to it. This curve is actually for the medium voltage feeder that we have, medium voltage switchgear. So we can have others as well, all of these will have like that. So this is information we can get from the graphical information. And now apply online monitoring. We can monitor the contact temperature of VCB. VCB is going to connect with the bus bar. So if there is an arcing, its temperature is going to increase. So when the temperature increases, actually we can see it is being increased right here. We have temperature installed. We have the sensors installed at that contact. Operation screen, please. Yeah. Yes, this one. And now we can also the environmental monitoring. Yeah, this one. We can see that if the temperature is increasing beyond the set value, it is going to alarm us. And if there is any smoke, it is also going to alarm us. And it can turn on the fan if it is necessary to ventilation. And then we have some energy analysis report. Let's say you have 10 production halls, production hall 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So all of these, we can get the energy analysis about it. That how much has been power consumed by each and every department separately. And then we can, this is multi-rate, multi-rate. Multi-rate option is actually for the government or those people, those facilities who are providing power to many apartments, let's say. For example, the government has policy that I am going to charge you $1 for first 10,000 units of power, and the next 10,000 of units of power will have 1.5. The rate will be changed. So we can put that multi-rate in here, and we will have the energy consumption report for every feeder. So we just click and the electricity bill will be ready. Now this is the LTD. LTD is actually for the power distribution in rooms, let's say. There is main distribution box and then smaller distribution boxes outside of it, outside of the rooms or inside of the room or outside of one floor or outside of one building. So we can monitor and control all of those small breakers from here. So that's all about our switchgear, and please let me know if you have more questions about it. I'll try my best to share it with you. Thank you very much once again, and remember, this is MingHan Electric. This is MingHan Electric, who has developed the software and the hardware to communicate between switchgear and this one. Also, the MingHan Electric, MingHan Electric, it produces ringman units, 33 kV switchgears, VCBs, and power factor capacitors, ACBs, medium voltage switchgears, and so on. Also the containerized substation. Thank you very much. If you have more questions, please feel free to contact us at let's say email. Goodbye.